Yeah, I hear you talking, girl. You talk a lot. A lot of this stuff don't matter half of the time, cause you always got some slick shit to say. You want me to leave? She say you wanna punch and make me sneeze. Bitch, you know what? You lies and catch a breeze. Got a nigga call up in these trees. If you see him telling lies and make me leave. And even bullshit just make me sneeze. Girl, a lot of lies, I ain't catch your breeze. Got a young nigga wanna love, I squeeze, I get up out of here more fast and that quicker. You bitches can pictures you fucking running with the niggas who just clash with the richest. And how the hell can I just sign a pre-notion agreement if I wanted to leave you down with some little breezy and I let you take everything I got, just half of it. You crazy as hell, baby, and nothing else above it. If you ain't my old lady raising out all my kids, I don't give a damn about that other shit. You hear me, bitch? That reason why I don't trick off. I don't have you to my house. I ain't paying you shit, bitch. Just a 1 minute knock you out. Fuck that, bitch. I'm a love maker. I freak all night. So how the fuck I'm gonna pay you? That shit just won't be right. If you ain't trying to be down and be your wife is tight, then you might as well go and get the fuck about my life. Say she is begging, she don't really want me to leave, but all that bullshit make me sneeze. It make me leave. All that bullshit, baby, just make me sneeze. She said she don't really wanna with me, but that's how it is, that's how it be. Said she don't really wanna see me leave, but all that bullshit, girl, make me sneeze. And I don't wanna fucking lies, I'll make you catch a breeze and get the hell away from fucking me. Yep. What the hell you think this is? You think this alright? Just for you to trip and talk this shit that's on your whole life. Girl, ain't even right. How in the world you gonna be wifey tight? You be running around with them bitches, fucking with them light. I be looking at you, you be tripping, you don't what you want. You wanna be bisexual, baby, I'm not what you want. I just wanna have a woman that really just dig it. That's how she be wanting. On the notion she gon' get it. Best believe I'm with it. Ain't no even tripping bullshitting. We wanna take trips and cruising, we can deal with it. Baby, ain't no lying, on no flexing, all that fake shit. Y'all be running around, all you hoes wanna play shit, take shit just for granted. Y'all nigga, I can't stand it. Looking at you bitches, y'all motherfuck heartless and you're scandalous. So how the fuck I'ma handle this? Bitch, I got the analyst. And listen while I dropping my niggas, so it's the standard, bitch. They ain't letting me leave with all that bullshit, girl, make me sneeze. And all them like you telling, girl, catch your breeze. And go ahead and get the part from me. See, girl, all them tension wanna let me leave. But all that bullshit, girl, make me sneeze. And she got all them lights you kicking, girl, catch a breeze. And just go ahead and just stay away from me. The hell wrong with you, girl? I think you're lying and you're lost and you're messing with the dog of the house. I run it out, you see me running around this bug and you see I stash in my clock. I ain't putting it in no bank, what the hell is y'all talking about? Hey, you motherfucker watching and looking and keeping eyes on my money, nigga. Hell wrong with you? Think I'm a dummy, I'm that nigga, keep it candy, cause sucking my chocolate bunny. Understanding why I'm running your nigga, I'm steady tongue, you know, hands down every day. You know I love it, this is how we do my fair way. Say, hell you say, I don't need nobody on 5 and 10 bitches to do my run thing. You understand exactly how I feel, just give me pleasure, man. Ain't no need to trip and ain't asking your ass for much. It's that big old bunch of you know and I wanna touch. Maybe catch them big ass breasts I wanna suck. But just be really down and ready when it's time to fuck. Girl, don't let me leave. But all that bullshit, girl, make me sneeze. And all them lies you telling, girl, catch your breeze. And just gonna ahead and depart from me. Understanding she don't really wanna need to leave. But girl, you gonna hit it, get the from me. Girl, gonna hit it, let this shit just gon' be. She looking in the eyes of a mother loving G. To the eternity, she really don't want me to leave. But girl, all that bullshit make me sneeze. You wanna tell a lie, gon' catch a breeze. And gonna hit and straight depart from me.